Today I will show you my most fastest things here. First, this is the I'm thinking, wait. This is my fastest things. 100. So I need to slow to speed. Why is melon so hard? Sounds like it. Now, my second version was this. Wait, is this thing? Where is this thing? Yeah, he has six engines and a little bit faster. So warning. Oh my god, he really. Wait guys. Did I accidentally did they glitch? I thought I was in the end. Okay, next. So this is a little bit faster. So, oh my god, please stop this thing.
Uy, ano ka na?
Look, even if this started, look at him, he's so fast. And he's still fast. Go. Di pa. Sorry guys, but I'm actually a Filipino one. Look at this. Oh my god. I think he broke the wheel because of yeah, he's a faster one. Yeah, he's the one I like because of the traveling speed is 1,000 kilometers. I mean 2 trillion kilometers of speed. Yeah, I actually told you how fast. Oh my god, it glitched. God. I think I reached the null zone. Sorry guys, I gotta get back. I need to use the rocket guy again. I mean speed plane. Bro even broke the P6. Come on. I think I... Oh! Sorry guys, I gotta go AFK for a little bit.